Hello students, today I will explain you the next topic of lesson number 10 and the name of the topic is atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases up to approximate height of 850 to 1000 kilometers. The layer of various gases is called atmosphere. The atmosphere cannot be seen with the naked eye. Various gases, water vapor, dust particles, particles of asteroids, salt particles, and even microorganisms, insects are mixed with the atmosphere. Atmosphere is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, as well as transparent. Atmosphere comprises of solid, liquid, and gaseous metals. Major gases in atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and ozone, etc. The atmosphere near the earth's surface is dense. Children, you can see the picture 10.1 ratio of gases in the atmosphere. As we go above the earth's surface, ratio of most of the gases in the atmosphere decreases. Since carbon dioxide is heavy gas, it is dense in the lower strata of the air and decreases in the above strata. The presence of carbon dioxide after the height of about 20 kilometers, oxygen after the height of 110 kilometers, and nitrogen after the approximate height of 130 kilometers is seen decreasing. At high altitudes, there are only light gases like hydrogen and helium. Children, you can see the picture 10.2 height of gases in atmosphere. The ratio of ozone gas in the atmosphere is very less. This gas absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun and protects the planet from the excessive heat of the sun. This gas mostly prevails in the open ground at the time of early morning. In the same way, its ratio is more in the air around the seashore. That is why people go for morning walks in such places, because ozone is healthier gas. Due to the various particles in the atmosphere, sunlight is seen spreading on the earth. It does not become dark or bright suddenly. Sky colors of dawn before sunrise and dusk after sunset are because of the dust particles. The rays are reflected through the dust particles and we get sunlight. Sound can be heard with the medium of atmosphere. The waves of sound and light are reflected in the atmosphere and returns to the earth's surface so that transmission of radio and television become possible. Heavenly objects such as meteoroids burn due to friction of atmosphere and get damaged. Thus, atmosphere proves as a natural shield for the earth. Now, next topic is biosphere. The part of environment like lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere where living being is seen alive is called biosphere. Biosphere is comprised of variety of life form. This living sphere includes human, vegetation, and animal life. Living being on the earth's surface get food from biosphere. Organisms of biosphere provide variety of food and raw material to the human world. Thus, existence and subsistence of human life is based on biosphere. Now the next topic is impact of human activities. Biosphere is mostly in the balanced condition, but when human disturbance disrupt the equilibrium of the system, then only many problems arise. Natural food chain is at risk because development is being done by exploiting the environment. This condition is harmful for human being as well as for environment. Now children, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.